Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Maximum Carnage for this week's Made with Unity Mondays for the 12th of September 2022, where I feature some of the best games, creations and everything created in Unity. And be sure to check out the video that I made this weekend for all the massive savings across game dev, Unity, Humble Bundles with massive packs with thousands of dollars of savings. And be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 160 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. So number one, we have Balloon Moose with the maximum update 0.9. Next one we have Continuum with his first game, Sunset Drive Club. The next one we have Andy Dev, who's a solo dev, completed the final update for Cloud Escape. HBC91 has created a color change geometry shader in URP. Splash Team devs have finally released their game, Tinykin. Game Atomic Games has got Crano Origins, which is now out on Steam. Pixel Soccer Cup has got brand new shots, effects, and some amazing looking work. Costa_Dev0 is telling everybody that you should wash your hands with this simulation with zebra liquids. Misfit Villager has got a trailer for the HDRP horror game Go Home Annie. Oh Hell No by Pseudo Juno. Full Moon 2727 has been working on some portals in URP, which are super trippy. Brute Force Game has got their Snow Shader, which is available in the Humble Bundle pack for the art tools. Buckethead Ent has been working on the VR game called Rumble with all the rock physics and mechanics. KODLL has been designing boss fights with all weapons and so many different challenges. Trifox Game is coming all the way to Nintendo Switch very soon. Lifetap Studios has got an early look at one of the new pirate bosses. And that's Craig's. It's got when you take your graphics card out of the game, they'd not recommend. Madly_Games have been merging moving and magnetic platforms to create 4-dimensional style gameplay. Jacob Wahlberg has been having far too much fun, but I'm not sure if the little character's enjoying it all the same. Samu Dev has got more dashing melee attacks and has been making it look real nice. TV Tig has added jetpacks to the weapon style Rocket League game. Lucums has got a scan feature as a really awesome effect. So be sure to check out all these awesome creations for this week, and be sure to check out my video that I made this weekend about all the game dev sales and all the thousands of savings you can make on all the Humble Bundles, and I'll put all the links down in the description. Be sure to come and check out my Patreon if you want to get access to over 160 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Be sure to come to my website to sign up for the newsletter to be kept up to date on all the best savings and deals that come around for game dev. Do come and join me on Discord and check out my great assets on the Unity store and on my website. But a big thank you to all my patrons, including Peter Steiner, Hogland Nigan, Raheem Whittaker, Gene Pommy, Manus Barakas, Terence Conrad, Walter Dunson, Joseph Newman, Rene Leisure, Topher Chambers, Kreshnik Halili, Benjamin Shankel, Alex Shen, Alyssa Faden, Daniel Getterjang, Ishikawa Takuya, Ron J, and Hush. And thank you to everybody else who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.